Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In order to make amigurumi, we need to know the basics like magic ring or circles to make round shapes for dolls like this. Making a magic circle can be kind of difficult with all the loop-de-loops, so I'm going to show you a simpler way to do this. So for this project, you're going to need yarn and a crochet hook. I find this especially helpful with chenille yarns. To start the magic ring, we're going to take the ends of our yarn and we're going to create a slip knot by twisting the ends of the yarn, making a loop like so, and we're going to pull through and tighten. We're going to take a crochet hook and put it through that loop, and then we're going to tighten to make the loop smaller. And from here, we're going to create that tension with our finger or index finger. And we're going to hold it between our thumbs, and then we're going to create 2 chains. Working from the second stitch from the hook right here, we're going to create 6 single crochets or whatever your pattern asks for. I normally see magic ring 6, so we're going to do 6 single crochet into this 1 single stitch. That's 1 stitch. Here we're going for 2 single crochet. And so forth until you get to 6. And here we got to 6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once you get to 6, we're going to pull this end piece, the loose piece, really tight to close the center hole. See, there's no more hole anymore. And now we can continue on with the project. Let me quickly show you how to do this with chenille yarn. So here's my chenille yarn. I find that this is easier with chenille yarn because these little pieces come off really easily. Let me show you. See, so doing the same thing, we're going to create a slip knot by creating a loop and pulling it through. Not too tight. We're going to put our crochet hook in and tighten that. And create our tension and chain 2. 1, 2. Again, working from the second stitch from the hook, we're gonna do a magic ring 6 or 6 single crochet into this 1 stitch. So that's 1, 2, 3. Continue this until you get to magic ring 6 or whatever your desired pattern tells you. Once you complete it and you see a hole, you can pull on the end string to close it up. And there you have it. A magic ring in a simpler way. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more content for the future. See you next time!